So we want to tell you about the panels we have. This is the one on the left is of Jaquar company. This is the black acrylic sheet on which the chrome has been done. It consists of the shower panel where this is the biggest shower, what we call it as, on the left hand side. Then we come down and then we have one more shower over here, this one, and then we have underneath shower also, underneath, yeah. And then this is how we operate the shower, right? If you do it like this, then we also have a hand shower over here. Then this is the product which is in a local brand. It has 4 shower panels, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 shower panels with 1 shower set also. This consists of a spout also. This is the spout, right? This is how you operate it, and this is where you can adjust whether you want a speed or whether you want what kind of shower you want. So this is how the panel looks like. This is actually the one-time solution, and it's a very long-lasting thing. So you can use it. We can also send you across all over the globe. If you are really interested, you can also send us a hi, or you can call us on the number provided below. Thanks, and please keep sharing our video, keep liking it, and subscribe also. This is Harish from Punjab Sanitary Store. Bath Fitter.